channel. Today we are going to be making beef and broccoli. So if you want to learn how to make a fast and easy dinner, just keep watching. So the first thing that you have to do, and is very, very important, is you have to cook the rice and make sure that you press the button to say rice cooking. So then you want to take the beef flank out of the refrigerator and you just want to cut it into bite size. And then when you are done, you want to put oil into a pan, and then you want to cook the beef until it is kind of brown. Not to burn it, but just a little brown. And then when the beef is ready, what you want to take out is your broccoli and your carrots. First thing you are going to do is put the carrots into the pan with the beef, and you want to make sure that it is cooked and soft before you put in the broccoli. And the broccoli cooks really fast, so just put it in there for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then it should be ready. So the last thing you're going to do before you serve it is you want to put in your broccoli and beef sauce. I bought this sauce from Cut Foods, but you can buy it from anywhere, Target, Walmart, if they have it. And then you only really need 1 bag of sauce for this whole recipe, but you can add more broccoli and carrots if you want. All that I have for you guys. If you guys did try the recipe out, please leave a comment below. See if you guys like it as much as my husband does. Or if you have any other questions, just let me know in a comment below. Like and share my videos, and until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.